Did I post this? But I remembered that I did not go live. Hey, did I go live? So what is taking place? Anyway, what is taking place is we wanted to talk about something about that money is not everything. Someone talked about it. This beautiful soul talked about it on live yesterday, and I continued thinking about it. She was like, people think that money is not everything. You guys, who told you that money is not everything? Let me know. If you think money is not everything, put your hand up. Then if I throw the money, you will not pick it. No, I told you that I remembered that today I've not posted anything. So I came to say, hi guys, how are you? It's a weekend, it has reached. What are you doing? What is about you? You know, sometimes we tend to feel we are bored of telling about money. But let me make you remember something. I was talking to a friend today. Then was promising to go and cut her box, saving box. And it is December. People have been saving. Then I said, okay. I asked her, this money you're going to cut is for what? Then she started telling me, one, she will have to buy clothes for the kids, two, she'll buy clothes for herself, buy meat, all. I said, can you calculate for me? She calculated and calculated. All her savings got finished. Then I asked her, okay, so what next? As you're going to use this money? Then she was like, yes, there's even some money I put in the bank. I had this amount of money in the bank, so I saved it there. That one is the one that we are going to go for vacation, that I want to go to Lake Mbulo, that is in Uganda. After Christmas, they go to Lake Mbulo for vacation. She saved it there. I breathed in and out. So when I finished, I said, let me come and tell you people. Do you know? And don't tell her that I've come and talked and told you about it here. Don't. Do you know, if you also like my friend, saving money to eat, to buy clothes, to celebrate on Christmas, saving money both at home and in the bank, you're poor. Do you know that? Money makes money. Do you know that money you put in the bank, people have been multiplying it, they have been lending it outside, making it money. They have been multiplying your money. You're thinking you're saving it, and you've saved it, nothing is going to be there on top. So suppose instead of the time you put it in the bank, suppose you said, okay, let me start a vegetable store. Like, okay, any amount of money, vegetable store. Do you know you'd have multiplied that money, and you would go for vacation in a very comfortable way? That's why I'm even speaking it low, that she should not hear me. Are you among those people? Yes. I remembered I did not talk with, at least I did not talk with you today. That's why I came to give you that gist. Auntie people, you like gist, you like Lugambo. But I know my Lugambo might not be appetizing you. But anyway, have a lovely weekend. The real gist of this video is to tell you that instead of saving money, multiply that money. You get it? Multiply that money. You're going to fear that it is going to get lost. You invested this and it got lost. You people like me, when I remember the money I used to invest and I invest and I say, oh my God, I wish I'd eaten that money. No, don't be like that. That thinking is for poverty-minded fellas. Money can make money, and money can kill money. Money can be gotten or money can be lost. So please, instead of getting money and save it in that box, save it in bank, use it to make more money.